Good afternoon. My name is Brian MacAlpine. I'm here for the Ministry of Public Health in Northern Thailand. I am urging all citizens to take part in our campaign against dengue fever and the more serious form, severe dengue. We can take individual and community level action to curb the potential detrimental and in some cases fatal effects of this virus. To review about dengue, most of you will know that this is a mosquito-borne viral infection. It is found in tropical and subtropical climates worldwide. Most who are infected will only experience mild symptoms. However, severe dengue is the leading cause of serious illness and death in some Asian and Latin American countries, such as here in Thailand. At an individual level of prevention and control against dengue, there are some things we can do. The first, I will talk about the vaccine. According to the World Health Organization, quote, use of the vaccine is targeted for persons living in endemic areas ranging from 9 to 45 years of age who have had at least one documented dengue virus infection previously. Please contact the Ministry of Health for further vaccine information. Also, at the personal level, we can make sure that we're dumping out standing water and covering areas where standing water can form. This is going to prevent the mosquitoes from breeding. We can use things like screens, we can use bed nets, we can use insecticides and repellents to keep the mosquitoes away. And finally, at the individual level, we can wear clothing that covers all the areas of exposed skin, so your legs, your arms, and around your neck. At the community level of prevention and control, we can make sure that we have good education materials out in the community is educated. We can monitor and surveil for existing outbreaks, and if outbreaks are severe, we have the ability to spray insecticides from the air. Also, we're looking at prospective monitoring for future outbreaks. We can do this by monitoring prevalence of the virus in the mosquito population with active screening of sentinel mosquito collections. The Thai Ministry of Public Health urges you to adopt individual and community level measures to prevent the incidence of dengue. Finally, at the individual and community level, we can take part in climate change mitigation measures to keep the existing dengue hotspot areas from expanding. Thank you.